Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to discuss 8th class topic, chapter number first, rational and irrational numbers, practice set 1.1. So is in the practice set 1.1 we have first question, show the following numbers on the number line, draw a separate number line for each example. So first sub question we have the rationals are of the form 3 by 2, 5 by 2 and minus of 3 by 2. We have to show them on a number line. So let us try to draw a number line. So that on a number line we have a null point or a starting point as a 0, put a 1 centimeter mark towards right of 0 and put a 1 centimeter mark towards left of 0. So now we have to divide each and every unit place in terms of two equal parts. Because look at once towards the denominator, each and every rational having the denominator as a 2, 2, 2, 2. So we have decided to do each and every unit place in terms of two equal parts. So first part we have and second part. So somewhere here we have a 1. Then 1, 2. After that two parts we have somewhere a 2. Then after that two parts we have a somewhere 3. And left of 0 we have all the negative integers. 1 and 2 part implies minus 1. Again 1 and 2 part implies minus of 2. Now once we are divided here each and every unit place in terms of two equal parts, so let's start plotting the number on a number line like way. We have to start from 0, 0 divided by 2. Towards right of 0 now we have 1 by 2, 2 by 2, then 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2, 6 by 2 and so on. Towards left of 0 we have minus of 1 by 2, minus of 2 by 2, minus of 3 by 2, minus of 4 by 2, minus of 5 by 2 and so on. Among them we have to show now on a number line which rationals 3 by 2. So here we have the 3 by 2. Locate the point like way. Next to it 5 by 2. Somewhere here we have a 5 by 2 and minus of 3 by 2. So left of 0 somewhere we have a minus of 3 by 2. Now look once carefully. Once we have a 1, so on that same point we have a 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 means what? 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. After all simplifying we have a 1 by 1 means a 1. So exactly at a point of 2 by 2 we have a 1. So 2 by 2 and 1 are the coincident point on a number line. Keep in mind. Now look at the next sub question. We have a 7 by 5 minus of 2 by 5 minus of 4 by 5. So again try to draw that the number line is of the form like way. This is our real number line. We may put the R on it. Now consider a 0 somewhere on a number line and put a towards right of 0 put a 1 centimeter mark. Keep in mind each and every unit places are equidistant. That means the distance between successive unit places is constant. So we have to strictly use a scale and pencil and put the 1 centimeter mark towards right of 0 and left of 0. Now if we will look ahead, each and every rational having the same denominator as a 5, 5, 5, 5. So we have to divide each and every single unit places in terms of 5 equal parts. So let's start counting like way 1, 2, 3, 4 and somewhere here we have a 5. So it becomes our first unit place as a 1. And after that somewhere we have the second unit place and so on. Same thing towards left of 0. Let us count down 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So at a place of 5 we have 5 parts. So we have to consider now the first unit place as an minus of 1. Because we are moving now towards left of 0. So that towards left of 0 we have all the negative integers. Now once we have the denominator as in 5. So let's start plotting the number on a number line is of the form. We have 0 by 5 towards right of 0, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, then 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. Look at the 5 by 5. 5 by 5 after all dividing we have a 1 by 1 means a 1. So exactly at the 5 by 5 we have a 1. Next 6 by 5, next 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5 and so on. Towards left of 0 we have all the negative rationals now. Minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus of 4 by 5, minus of 5 by 5. Look at the minus of 5 by 5 too. We are having minus of 5 by 5. After all dividing we have minus 1 by 1 means a minus 1. So exactly at a point of minus of 5 by 5 we have a minus 1. And last one we have now minus of 6 by 5 and so on. Now we have to locate 7 by 5. So where it is located? After 1 somewhere we have a 7 by 5. Next to it minus of 2 by 5. So after the 0 towards left direction somewhere we have minus of 2 by 5. Then minus of 4 by 5. After that towards left of minus of 2 by 5 we have a minus of 4 by 5. We may consider the rationals are of the form like way. We have the 7 by 5. After all converting it in terms of the mixed fraction, we are getting 5 ones are 5. So the remainder becomes a 2. So quotient as to remainder divided by divisor. So 7 by 5 is our improper fraction. We are converting it is in terms of the mixed fraction 1 is to 2 by 5. That means 7 by 5 is located after 1. How much unit places we have to consider? 2 unit places. So we have 1 and 2 over here. That's why 7 by 5 is after 1 somewhere. Okay. Now look at the next question. We are having minus of 5 by 8 and 11 by 8. We are trying to plot now those numbers on a number line. So let us try to draw a number line like way. So on that number line we have a 0 somewhere. Now we may take a 0.5 centimeter distance. That means the 5 mm distance, because our now the denominator is the greatest one, 8 and 8. So that let us put a mark of 5 mm. Like way we have the first unit place. Next one 0.5 mm mark should be there. You may use the scale and pencil. Keep in mind each and every unit places should be equidistant from the other one. Like way we have 0.5 centimeter, or we may call 5 mm marks over the number line. Now after our 8 places we have the unit 1 place. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So here we have a 1. And after that somewhere we have, after the 8 places we have a 2. Now towards left of 0 we have the negative integer. Okay, so we have to consider again the 8 places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have minus of 1. Now once the denominator is 8, so let us try to plot that rationals on a number line. Like way 0 by 8, 1 by 8, towards right of 0 we have all the positive rationals now. 2 by 8, 3 by 8, next to it 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8. Look at the 8 by 8. 8 by 8, after all dividing we have a 1 by 1 means a 1. So 8 by 8 is located exactly at the position of 1. Next to it we have a 9 by 8, 10 by 8, 11 by 8, and last one we have here 12 by 8, and so on. Towards left of 0 we have all the negative rationals. Minus 1 by 8, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 8, minus 4 by 8, minus 5 by 8, minus of 6 by 8, minus of 7 by 8, and minus of 8 by 8. Look at minus of 8 by 8. After all dividing we have minus 1 by 1 means a minus of 1. So minus of 8 by 8 is located exactly at the position of minus 1. Now we have to locate that minus of 5 by 8. So minus of 5 by 8, where does it lie? Towards left of 0. Here we have minus of 5 by 8. And 11 by 8 towards right of 0. Somewhere we have 11 by 8 after 1. Because if we will convert 11 by 8 in terms of the mixed fraction, we have a 8 ones are 8. Remainder becomes 3 divided by 8. So we have to move the 3 places after 1. Keep in mind, because our numerator is 3. And once the whole number we have a 1. So 1, after that we have to move the 3 places. So we are at the point 11 by 8. Now look at the next rationals. We are having 13 divided by 10 and minus of 17 divided by 10. So let us try to draw a number line like way. So somewhere on a real number line we have a 0. Left of it we have the negative rationals, right of it we have the positive rational. Now once the denominator is 10, we have to divide each and every unit place in terms of 10 equal parts. So now make a mark towards right of 0 that are equidistant. You may take 0.5 centimeter or the 5 mm. Like way marks we have to make towards right of 0 and towards left of 0 also. Now once our denominator is 10, so where the first unit place should be located? So we have 10 by 10 becomes a 1. So we have to move now 10 places towards right, we have to locate a 1, and 10 places towards left, we have to locate a minus of 1 ultimately. Look once carefully, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here we have a 10 by 10 means a 1. And towards left of 0, we have to move the 10 unit places like that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have now a minus of 1 and here we have a 1. So ultimately we divided each and every unit place in terms of 10 equal parts. Now we have to locate that 13 by 10. So no need to put that each and every rational between the unit places. Whatever be the required, that we have to put. Like way, once we have a 13 divided by 10, so we have to move now 13 places towards right of 0 because we have 13 by 10 is the positive rational. So already we have a 10 by 10. So 11, 12 and 13. So here we have now the 13 divided by 10. Once we have a 13 divided by 10 be the improper fraction, if we will convert in terms of the mixed fraction, we have a 1:3 by 10. That means after the whole number as a 1, we have to move how much places? 3 places. So look at once, 1, 2 and 3, exactly 3 places we are having after the 1. Now look once carefully where we have to plot now minus of 17 divided by 10. So we have to move now the 17 places towards left due to the negative sign over there. Keep in mind. So already we have a minus of 10 by 10 over here at the place of minus of 1. So after that we have to move now 7 places because if we will convert that minus of 17 divided by 10 in terms of the mixed fraction, we are getting minus of 1:7 divided by 10. So after minus of 1, we have to move how much places? 7 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here we have at the end of our number line minus of 17 divided by 10. Now look at the next question we are having, question number 2. Observe the number line and answer the questions. We have the number line, on it we have A, B, E, O, F, C and D points somewhere on the number line. Now our first question is that which number is indicated by the point B. So now at first once look a number of divisions between the unit places. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4 parts of each unit places. So let's start plotting the number, or we might be says the rational number from 0, like 0 divided by, once the 4 equal parts we are having, so 0 divided by 4. Next to it we have a 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, then 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, then we have at the C 7 by 4. No need to plot that each and every point over here. Next 8 by 4, 9 by 4, at a D we have a 10 by 4 and so on. Towards left of 0 we have the negative rationals. Like way 0 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 4, minus 5 by 4. At a E we have a minus of 6 by 4. Next minus 7 by 4, minus 8 by 4, minus 9 by 4, minus of 10 by 4 at a point of B. Next minus of 11 by 4 and minus of 12 by 4 we have as a point A, or we might be says the minus of 3. So B point is indicated which rational? Minus of 10 by 4. So our answer is minus of 10 divided by 4. Now look at the next sub question we are having, which point indicates the number 1:3 as to 4. That means we have given here the mixed fraction, try to convert it is in terms of improper fraction. So that now how to convert 1 into 4, that means whatever be the whole number we have to multiply it with a denominator and add up the numerator 3, whole divided by we have a 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3 we have a 7 divided by 4. So where does it located on a number line? At a point of C. So we might have now our answer as a point C, like that way. Now look at the third sub question. State whether the statement the point D denotes the number 5 by 2 is true or false. So look at the point D. We have a D point at a place of 10 by 4. So look once carefully. 10 by 4 we can write 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. So ultimately 2 from numerator denominator getting cancelled. So we might remain with the 5 in case of numerator and 2 in case of denominator. So we might be says the point D at which place we are having 10 by 4 means a 5 by 2, because 10 by 4 is equal to we have now the 5 by 2. It is least form of fraction we might says. So this statement, whether the statement we have to say that true or false, we have the statement the point D denotes the number 5 by 2. So this statement is true. So our answer is true for the third sub question. So here we had practice set 1.1 from first chapter, rational and irrational numbers. Thank you.